Hello everyone, I welcome you all. In this video, I'll show you how to register for Comptia Security AI Plus examination. So all you got to do is go to any of your browser. So here search for Comptia Security AI Plus. So you got to search for Comptia Security AI Plus as shown. So Comptia Security AI Plus is a new certification designed to validate expertise in securing AI systems within modern cybersecurity contexts. So out here you got to go to this comptia.org. So Comptia is looking for qualified individuals to help develop a brand new cybersecurity related certification by participating in beta examination. So this is a beta examination. So if you're having an overall experience of 3 to 4 years in IT and with approximately 2 years in cybersecurity role, you can easily register for this beta examination. So the examination would be easy if you have already worked in the role of cybersecurity administrator, analyst, architect, engineer, specialist, as well as pen tester. So how do I register for this? So for this examination, before you take it, they have to shortlist you, and in order to shortlist you for the examination, you got to take up a assessment question. So here is the assessment question link. So let's enter inside this assessment test. So just hit on this assessment test. So Comptia gives out a welcome message over here, so wherein you should input some of your information, and if you are selected for the next step in the beta process, you will be notified and provide more details at that point. So hit next. This is where you got to input your information. So in what job role you are working, you got to enter that. So let's say cybersecurity engineer, and how many years of cybersecurity experience you are having, you got to fill on that. So here I'll say around 3 to 4 years with AI enabled cybersecurity tools. So at what level do you stand? So here let's say novice. Are you above the age 18? So right after this, there are two ways in which you can take up this examination. One is online, or the other way is to go to an examination center of Pearson. So if you qualify, take and pass the Comptia Security A plus Beta exam by October 31st, 2025, you will earn new Comptia Security A plus certification at no cost. So that's the good news. So scroll all the way down, and also here after getting shortlisted, you will only be able to get the results around spring 2025. So till that point of time, you got to wait. So based on the description above of the Comptia Security A plus Beta exam, you're interested in being considered for the participation, click yes. And this is the consent. Just click on I acknowledge, and here is where you got to provide your first name, last name, job title, company, city, state, and email address. To this email address, they'll send you a confirmation email, and further notification will be provided, or communication will be provided over this email address. So the other important thing over here is you can download the draft examination objectives. So here is a PDF wherein you can get to know based on what all topics and domains you might get the questions. So you can download the objectives over here by clicking here, Security A plus certification exam objectives. So here you can see that there are mainly 4 domains. The very first one is basic AI concepts related to cybersecurity. Second domain is securing AI systems, AI assisted security, AI governance, risk and compliance. Further, all these domains are having several objectives, and in fact all these objectives are having different sub objectives. You can just go through this. So prepare well for the examination. All the best. So that's it. If you like this video, hit like and please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.